let's check out my new toy. I've been wanting one of these for so long. Guess what it is yet? It's an ultrasonic cleaner. Just about big enough for carburetor stuff. That's my main reason for wanting one. Of course, you can use it for anything. With those ancient NDIX cards that I'm going to be putting on the bug, I figured I needed a good way to clean it. Just doing parts dip doesn't quite cut it. So this says it's 6 liters. I don't know, it seems awfully small for a gallon and a half. Maybe not. So, yeah, I'm going to find a place to set it, and we'll put some stuff in it. So here's the instructions, a whopping single sheet of paper. So let's see what it says. Accessorize with the main machine the soundproof lid. A stamped piece of stainless steel is soundproof. Alright. Power lead. I can't see what I'm looking at there. There we go. Power lead and a mesh basket. Yeah, we got those. Service line, electron line, medicament line, laboratory, machine line, horniness alloy line. That's what I'm into. The horniness alloy line. Right there. Gotta have my horniness alloy. Unpack, see if anything got loose. Yeah. Ventilated in dry condition. Place it flatly. I love the English in this stuff. Triplex plug, blah blah blah. It's optional to add detergent when needed. Well, what else are you going to put in there? Beer? I have an ultrasonic beer cleaner. Alright, there we go. 6 liters. 1 to 30 minutes. 80 degrees Celsius is the normal temperature. Start it up, fill it up with water, plug it in, set the timer, start the heating function, stop it when you're done. Set the heating platoon to off. I don't think I have a platoon. Empty the tank, clean it, and for next use, blah blah blah. While the machine is working normally, the ultrasonic in tank Syntony gives a well-proportioned sound and no shudder on the surface of the water, yet there is spray made by tiny bubbles. Yeah. No flammable solutions. What, you don't think I should put flammable stuff in the heating element? Okay. Well, I am going to use reverse osmosis water mixed with purple power. Come on, focus you. There we go. This stuff's $6 a gallon, so it's dirt cheap. I'm going to use if that thing's 6 liters, if I use a half a gallon to this and do the rest with water, leaving room for stuff. I'm pretty close to 50-50 mix. So I'll try that, see how it goes. Alright, time to start filling. So I already got a half gallon of the purple stuff in there. This shelf doesn't leave me enough room. There we go. Well, this is reverse osmosis water. Super duper pure. You know what I don't have? Is something really grungy to put in there right now. However, what I do have is this old ashtray out of the Bug. I don't know if you can see, but it was used for cigarettes and never really cleaned. So I'm thinking this would be a good candidate. This plastic front should be just fine. And if not, these are really pretty common to pick up used. So, alright, we'll put that in the basket. And get the basket. Ha ha ha! You've got to be shitting me. Basket no fit. I planned that well, didn't I? That's not too heavy. I can lift it and move it. And get the basket in. Oh, nice, you're gonna float. Awesome. Get it in. Leave it at an angle like that. Pull you back some so you can see. Really a hard thing to see. Let's try a different spot. I like having you on my vise, but it looks like you're just not wide enough. I suppose that's better somewhat. Alright, let's put the soundproof lid back on, because this is soundproof, apparently. And plug it in. Oh, you're going to be on the back side, aren't you? Please at least be where yes, thank you. Ha! Here. Oh, we got lights. Hooray! Alright, so we want temp, say 60 degrees. It says it's 21 degrees now, so I'm guessing 60. Turn you on for heat, and we want 30 minutes. There we go. On. Wow, that buzzes a lot. Okay, really makes a racket. Listen to that. I wonder if it's supposed to sound like that. That is terrible. Let's get you up close so you can enjoy this with me. Purple is pretty purple. It's vibrating. I can feel it when I touch the frame. and if I push hard on it, it seems to dampen it out, like my body's absorbing it. I'll put the lid back on it and let it cook for a while and see what it looks like when I take it out. Well, it never made it up to 80. I'm going to go ahead and turn it off. Alright, so it's off. It's pretty toasty warm though, I'll tell you. Dang. Lots of condensed water. Should probably have a rag. Hang on. Find a rag. Ah, rags. It's steamy, but didn't really get it super clean. Hoping for a little more. And it's cleaner. The outside looks really nice. I like that. And the plastic doesn't seem to have been bothered, so that's good. Oh no! The crappy MP sticker got moderately damaged. Oh, the horror. But the inside, I don't know if you can see that. Still some dirt. I just rubbed that off the inside there. So I think I am going to run it for another 30 minutes. Maybe I'll get lucky and the sticker will come off. Alright. So we turn the power to the heat back on and we set the timer. Oh, hey, look at that. And back to the buzzing. Alright, we'll check back in later. Alright, I'm a couple minutes early, but I'm going to shut it off and let's see if it got any better. Oh, camera fell, hang on. It's a magnetic mount, so it can get wonky. Alright. Pull that sucker out. Ooh, it's very toasty warm. We like toasty warm. Now the inside still got crud, but it's better. I think I just need to hit it with a toothbrush. It's probably the best way to go. This isn't a fair test because, I mean, it's cigarette yuck, it's not grease. And purple power is a degreaser, not a oh, hello, look at that, it's taking more of the paint off. Interesting. So, peeling it down. Look at that, dissolved the paint. Anyway, but where it wasn't cigarette yuck, it's pretty darn clean. Look at that. And like I said, it took the paint off here. That's definitely better. And it did take quite a bit of this off, I guess. So yeah. I'm going to call that a win. What do you think? That needs lubed. It doesn't pop on its own. Looks like I need to put a little bit of grease right in there where it rubs against the top. I bet you I do that, this thing's gonna be sweet. Alright, well, I'm happy with the results. Still have that damn sticker. Why would you put a sticker on, whatever. I shouldn't say too much. I put stickers all over my windows, or I let my daughter put stickers all over my windows. Check the picture that's going to pop up here in a moment. But I'm going to give this a rinse and get this loose paint out of there. You can see it. Just flaked off and into the ashtray. I don't know what I'll actually put in here. Change or something, who knows. I tried to use one of those ashtray slot cup holders that they sell for 60 bucks or whatever they are. It's a piece of shit, barely fits, blocks off the headlight and the emergency flashers, but doesn't hold anything. My Galaxy S8 Plus doesn't fit in either of the cups or in the little pocket that's in the front. I don't know if the whole thing's made for a can of beer and a pack of cigarettes or what, but that's all that'll fit in there is a can of beer and a pack of cigarettes. So that's why I was cleaning this up to put it back in, but I want to get this sticker off. I think I'm going to have to use Goof Off. Oh, wait, what? Oh, look at that. It dissolved the glue. There's still a mark from it, but I think I can deal with that. Holy shit. Look at that. Screw you, MP. Get out of my crap. I know that MP, you're the only place that sells some things, but God, you're crap. Anyway, have a great one. I am going to call this good, and when I go to do the carbs, I'll do a proper video showing how this thing really works with something that's not ridiculous like this. Alright guys, you want to see more, you know what to do. See ya.